Troopers responded to an illegal street racing event in East Point, Georgia, where they spotted a white and green Camaro doing donuts. The driver, Carlos Merritt Jr., took off, nearly hitting another trooper.
I'm going to have y'all call it. I can still keep the camera on it, but I don't have street overlay.
Watch that parking lot. The drone right there. They're coming out right here, guys. They're splitting.
They're splitting. That gold one's still doing donuts, though.
Get your hands up!
Don't worry, I'm not looking.
Get on the ground. Get on your...
I'm looking for the other
You ain't gonna apologize. You ain't gonna apologize. You couldn't stop. You're right. Right. That's why you stopped. You aggravated assault on a peace officer. 1039. I got one kid.
Trooper Walker attempted a traffic stop on a silver Toyota Camry after spotting the driver, Marcus Scott, without a seatbelt. Scott fled, blowing through a red light and reaching speeds of 129 miles per hour, while weaving dangerously through traffic.
For Adam 44, 30 West Roosevelt.
Get back on to 30 eastbound. Occupied 2 times, 2 black males.
Back on to 30 East, occupied 2 times, 2 black males. State 4.
Light traffic coming up through the construction area.
Copy the construction.
Speeds medium, speeds 60 right now, 70.
Copy, and we're patched in with Little Rock and North Rock. Copy Broadway.
We weren't aware of anything. What's going on?
Stay blazing in pursuit on 30 eastbound, come back to Broadway with the silver Toyota Camry.
North of that copy.
Speed's still 100. Medium traffic.
Medium traffic, 100 miles per hour.
Coming up to Curtis Sykes.
Curtis.
Passing Curtis Sykes. Speeds 110.
Passing Sykes at 110.
Just wrecked out. Start at 1016.
10-4, North Interchange.
Yeah, 10-4. It's a rollover.
Lefty.
Around midnight on May 16th, Sherwood PD requested backup on a high-speed pursuit along I-40. The suspect vehicle veered onto I-57 North, accelerating past 100 miles per hour, while brake-checking officers and swerving dangerously. A trooper attempted a tactical vehicle intervention, but the driver tried to counter the maneuver.
113, looks like state police is going to be out with us as well. We're still eastbound on 40. Have light traffic. We're slowing down. Speeds are coming to 50. The Dodge truck has crossed over to 1.
I'm coming up front.
Right now, we're right here in the paint on I-57. Step. 113, we're stopped right here, Davis Burgers, I-57 northbound. I-57 northbound, Davis Burgers. Got two at gunpoint.
Cam 122, I can be around.